welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see few medical coding jobs for freshers. So as of now, there is no openings in the market, so that is the reason I am not uploading continuously. So today we have few openings for freshers. So let's get into the video. Here the first opening is from Savista Global, hiring for medical coding freshers. Walk-in drive on 29th to the 31st of January. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days left. Tamil Nadu location, Gency HR. Hiring medical coding freshers, only UG candidates are eligible, only life science graduates are eligible. 2022-2024 pass outs can apply. Benefits two-way cab facility will be provided. Looking for immediate joiners. Only Chennai-based candidates are eligible. Interested candidates can walk in directly to the office. So this is one opening from Savista Healthcare. Here is another opening from Logix Healthcare. So here they mentioned trainee coder, but they have not given clear details. Hiring for Bangalore location 29 Jan to 7th of February. Only these three details they have mentioned: roles and responsibilities, outline the day-to-day responsibilities, and the preferred candidates specific required role expertise, previous job experience, or relevant certifications. So I am not sure. I think this is for not for freshers, experienced candidates only. So once reach HR, Navya and Bharati, once reach them or once share your CV to this email ID, then we will get an idea. So this is one opening from Logic Healthcare. Here another opening from Eviden. This is for not for medical coder. They have mentioned this is for US Healthcare for Pune location. Graduate freshers they are looking for. Uh, this is another opening from Proven Healthcare. Hiring for medical coder, medical auditor, subject matter expert, and the TLs. Work from office only. Walk-in drive from 30 January to the 2nd of February, Thursday to Sunday. Tamil Nadu, Chennai location. They have not mentioned whether it is for freshers or experienced candidates. And this auditor and subject matter TL last three positions will be for experienced candidates only. So I am not sure about the medical coder. So once share your CV with them, then if you get any reward based on that, go ahead. So this is one opening from Proven Healthcare. This is another opening from a blue chip healthcare. We are hiring freshers. A great opportunity for freshers 2023 and 2024 passwords can apply. AR caller, good communication skills, Chennai location, night shift, and charge entry and medical coder positions also there. Same for Chennai location, day shift, walk-in drive is tomorrow. A blue chip company this is. If you are interested, you can contact this number or else directly you can go for the walk-in drive. Another opening from Omega Healthcare, hiring for trainee medical coder roles. Should be from a medical background, UG or PG, BDS, MDS, BAMS, BUMS, BHMS, BPT, MPT, MD, MBBS only. Those candidates are eligible, and 0 to 7 years of experience in clinical or non-clinical field also apply. Should have good communication and interpersonal skills, good understanding of medical terminology, body anatomy, physiology. This is for work from office only. Chennai location 33K per month and immediate joiners they are looking for. Interested candidates share your CV to Mankandan HR. So this is an opening from Omega Healthcare. Here is another opening from Claris RCM, hiring for HCC specialties, both day shift and night shift, both work from home and work from office opportunity. And they are hiring for CPC certified freshers also for Hyderabad location. So utilize this opportunity, CPC certified freshers. And these all are the positions. For freshers, they won't give work from home opportunity. Interested candidates share your CV to these phone numbers or once contact them when is the drive, because they have not mentioned any dates. And if anyone have already attended the interview for this Claris RCM for Hyderabad location, please let us know in the comment section. So this is one opening from Claris RCM. Here is another opening from Elico Healthcare. They are hiring for work from home opportunity. This is not for freshers. This is for experienced candidates only. This is for work from home. EM specialty should have own laptop and Wi-Fi is the required certification CPC or a CEMC. Minimum 3 years of experience in EM outpatient and inpatient coding experience is mandatory. And few more details. These all are the responsibilities. Graduate and postgraduates only. Life science graduates are eligible. CP certification is mandatory. Interested candidates, you can share your CV to HR. HR Simran. So this is one opening for work from home opportunity. And also we have already discussed in previous videos Optum Healthcare hiring for BSc MSc nursing candidates freshers for Chennai location. Interested candidates, you can mail to any of these email ID. If possible, you can mail to everyone, all 5 email IDs. So this is one opening from Optum. Here is another opening from Omega Healthcare. They are also hiring for work from home opportunity for HCC coders. 1 year experience, 1 to 6 years experience is mandatory. Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore candidates. And this is for medical coder and QA analyst for HCC specialty. Minimum 1 year experience in medical coding. Any certification is mandatory. Ability to work from home and immediate joiners they prefer. Interested candidates, share your CV to this WhatsApp number. So this is one opening from Omega Healthcare. Another opening from Happy Hire. They are hiring for home health coders. This is for work from home opportunity. I am not aware of this company details. Know the company details clearly and go for the drive. This is for not for freshers, only experienced candidates only. Hiring for home health coder, team leader, papers mandatory, Madurai location, work from office only. This is for and papers not mandatory, which is work from uh, office, Madurai location. Minimum 1 to 5 years experience in home healthcare is mandatory. Immediate joiners prefer. Need Hyderabad location candidates. So once you share your CV to them, if you are looking for work from home, and she will reply. So this is one opening from a Happy Hire. So here is another opening from Access Healthcare. So I am not sure about this opening. Huge opening for certified freshers, immediate joiners prefer, walk-in interview only, life science graduates only, and refer your friends, work from office only, Chennai location. Interested candidates kindly call or WhatsApp on given number. So this is these are the details they have mentioned. I am not sure about this opening. If anyone already given interview for Access Healthcare between this week, please let us know in the comment section. So this is one opening from Access Healthcare. So this is about today video. If you found this video is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me in Instagram. I have already uploaded a few of these openings in Instagram. And also Corro Health hiring for Bangalore location. Walk-in drive is still going on. So watch previous videos for the clarification. So thank you for watching once again.